अहमदाबाद में एयर इंडिया तैयारा हादसे की इब्तदाई तहक़ीक़ात रिपोर्ट जारी की गई है। मरकजी वज़ीर शहरी हवाबाजी मोहन नायडू का कहना है कि ये एक इब्तदाई रिपोर्ट है और वजारत इसका तज्ज़िया कर रही है। उन्होंने उम्मीद जाहिर की कि हतमी रिपोर्ट जल्द ही सामने आ जाएगी। मोहन नायडू विशाखापट्टनम में मीडिया से बात कर रहे थे।
Appreciate the job done by AIB, a very commendable job. It was a very challenging task. In fact, for the first time, safely securing the black box and trying to decode the data and everything being done in India itself in the lab in Delhi for AIB, first of its kind. So I'd like to appreciate all the efforts they have put in to do a very transparent, very mature, professional way the investigation has been done, and also all the international protocols have also been respected and followed. And regarding the report, this is a preliminary report right now, and from the ministry we are analyzing the report, but I think it would be better if we can comment on it once the final report comes in. So we are coordinating with AIB also. Whatever support or resources they need, we'll be providing to them. But AIB will be the primary investigating agency into this, and we are hoping that as soon as possible the final report also comes in.